I've got a new car, and yeah, it's in a bit of a state. It's been sat for 6 months and it needs a bloody good clean. So it's had the DPF cleaned. There's a bit of footage coming up of that now, and this weekend we're gonna give it a mini detail and try and revive it. As you can see, it's pretty bad. It's been sat under a tree for about 6 months. Sounds like sandpaper. And this is the man who's going to help me.
Hi guys.
My cousin Jason. So, let's get started. So far, I've used some G101 multi-purpose cleaner, sprayed it on, left it on there for 5 minutes, and hosed it off, and it's already looking a hell of a lot better. So that is looking a lot better. Obviously, still a lot of work to do, but it's a lot cleaner. Had the APC snow foam. Which snow foam? It was Autobrite Direct snow foam on there as well. Maguire's wash, and now we're going to do a fallout remover over the whole car before doing a clay mitt. Next thing is some Autobrite tar remover to just get all the tar off. You can feel little bits of it all down there, down the bottom. So
it's very difficult to see. Very, very difficult to see, but there is some on it.
Yeah,
so
you can see quite a lot there.
Might as well just do it.
So now I'm going to snow foam the car and then use a clay mitt to get all the last contaminants off the paint. So last thing to do before
We'll dry it, and then that's it for tonight.
last thing, dry it, and then tomorrow we'll start the process of mopping.
You're probably wondering how much I paid for this D3. It's a December 2010 LCI model with 137,000 on the clock, and after a bit of umming and ahhing, I actually paid £3,750 for the car, and a further £150 for a brand new BMW battery that the owner got from a contact of his. The paintwork was really in a bad state, and over the 3 days that we worked on it, it would have cost me £700 to £800 to have that done professionally. On top of this, it had the DPF clean at £250, and it's going to need some further work on some EGR faults, which is causing it to go into limp mode. There also seems to be a slight issue or delay with the small turbo giving full boost. Finally, it's going to need a wheel refurb and a new set of tyres.
Just had a go at getting rid of the dent that's there. It's certainly a lot better. Not perfect, but it's as good as we're going to get it. But this bonnet still a lot better, but there's a lot of marks. Hard to show them really, but from bird crap. That shows the reflection. This side is complete. And it's come up really nice. Most of the car has now been done with this 2400 grit polish, and just finishing the last side off now with the 3,500, and then go over it with a panel wipe, and then it's ceramic time. So,
Just to note as well, we have been changing the pads, so we have got a light cut one. I've just been using the medium cut with the it's a 2400 with the medium cut orange pad, and the 3500 with the lighter cut, just to refine anything that's on there.
and the ceramic we're using is Armour Shield, so
AvalonKing, that one.
AvalonKing. But I'll do a video when we unbox that. So right, so we are now going to start doing the AvalonKing Armour Shield and get that fully protected.
Normally on a large panel like the bonnet you would do it in 4 sections, but due to the temperature on the morning that we were applying it, it was around 16 degrees. It takes around 2 to 3 minutes to cure, so we did larger sections and then I followed behind with a buffing cloth.
what you say. I do my own thing. I do my own thing. I go my own way. Don't care what you say. I do my own